Hi and welcome to this Respondent IO tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Respondent IO. If you're looking for an extra income or a side hustle to make more money, this is it. As you can see, Respondent IO is a research platform where you are paid to answer questions. It's just like other survey sites like CFX or the surveys you get on click workers and micro workers. The only difference is that Respondent IO has high paying surveys. For instance, let me show you. This is my dashboard. So I'm already registered on Respondent.io. So let me show you how my dashboard look like. This is a job that was posted 12 hours ago. As you can see, it pays $5 and it only takes 5 minutes. It's also this one that was posted 14 hours ago. It pays for $10 and you can do it with 5 minutes. I'll also show you more paying gigs. Like this one was posted 10 hours ago. It pays $100 and you can do it with 30 minutes. There's also this one here paying for $110, $25, $100, 125, $250 that was posted 7 hours ago, and you can complete it within 90 minutes. There's also this one here paying $150, $100, and so on and so forth. If you continue, you'll see so many jobs on this platform. I have seen several people commenting that they are not getting approved on Respondent IO, and that's the question I'll be tackling in this question: why you are not getting jobs on Respondent IO or why you are not accepted. First, let me mention that Respondent IO is not hiring in Kenya and other African countries. If you enjoyed this video or you find value in this video, please don't forget to give this channel a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more content like this and I'll be super grateful. So now to apply to become a participant at Respondent, you'll just go to Google and type Respondent IO. Come here and sign up as a participant. Do not sign up as a researcher. Researcher are the people paying for participants to answer their questions. So you are not paying, you are supposed to be paid. So just participate as a participant. So you'll come here um, and start by indicating your name. Yes, my name is Jane. Let's assume um, we are signing up for someone called Jane Blessed. So that's her email address. And we are going to create an account. Yeah, now that we have already added their name and their email address, we are going to write a password. Let's assume you are born in 2003, May 7th. So we'll just come here and click continue. Gender is female, but both genders are acceptable. Ethnicity, Black African. Highest education level, I encourage you to indicate you have an associate or bachelor's degree so that you can have more options. Then there's this, what is your household income? It's optional, so I'm not going to indicate. Anything that is optional means you don't have to write it. Get matched with projects in your area. My location, I'm going to say California. So let's move on. Which of the following categories describe your employment? When it comes to employment, is very important. I urge you not to indicate that you are not employed, or these two do not indicate you are not employed, because as much as these employers, these researchers are looking for people to answer, they are looking for people who are experts in their niche. So you need to be employed to be an expert in something. So just say you are employed but working part time. Please add up to 5 industries that are applicable to you. Here you can choose anything. For instance, I can choose fashion, but just make sure that you are choosing something that you are familiar with. Now I thought that would work, but it won't. So let me just scroll down. computer games, food and beverages. I'm a foodie. Uh, Market research, something like that. So I need you to fill all your expertise. You need to indicate five. Level of seniority, I'm going to say a partner. What is the name of the company you work for? uh, what I'm going to, because probably you're not working, I want you to go to Google and look where you said that you work. For instance, maybe I have indicated I'm working for a marketing company. Just go to Google and type marketing companies in the area you indicated, and all these are marketing companies in California. So what happens, I'll just come here and just pick one. For instance, there's this one, search broom sijui what. So I'll just come here and write it here. It is important you write an existing company, because the researcher may decide to do a background check on you, and if they find it's not a legit company, maybe that can have an issue. It's important, just go there, find a company in your niche and write it there. Which of the following field mostly matches you? For instance, I'm a social media specialist. Just write what you are an expert in. Then there is work email. Here you are required to add a work email so that you can unlock more opportunities. But to be honest, I have tried to find ways to get a work email without paying online. It is almost impossible. So what you can do is either leave it blank, or if you are working at a company where you have access to a work email, just add your company email address. If you don't, just leave it blank. Here, then you have to, in a few words, describe your role at work. So the role at my work is mhm, I help I help brands increase uh, their online presence. So just describe what you do. So me, as a digital marketing specialist, this is what I do. What is the size of your company? 11 to 50, or you can just write whatever skills that you have. So just write the skills that you have. For instance, um, writing for publications. I also write. Mm, I also like gaming. I gaming, to be very specific. Other skills like AI training. This one is not there. So let's just type AI and see what comes up. So probably there is no skill like AI training. So you can just write anything there. This button is have not turned blue because I was supposed, because I don't have a work email, I was supposed to turn off that. So we move to the next level. How do you want to get paid? You need a PayPal account. Now I will not add my PayPal account online, but you can just add your PayPal account. A PayPal account, just go to PayPal and create one. The next part is the code of conduct. This is where you just click, you accept, and you move on. So now, after you have created this account and you have signed the code of conduct, they are going to need you to verify your number. Now, after verifying using the number you got from a text verified, your dashboard should look like this. So here you can add a personal video introduction. This is where you tell them, you just make a short video telling them who you are, what you do, and how you can be useful on the programs. Here you can mention other things that are not related to your job that you can do. For instance, social media. I'm a digital specialist. I deal with social media. I deal with website content and such things. However, I'm also very interested in iGaming, that is gaming. I'm also very interested in other things like fashion and makeup. I'm also very interested and I do a lot of AI stuff. So I can mention that I can work with AI, I can review makeup and clothing and something like that. I can also do things to do with iGaming. So you need to mention other skills that you have that are not applicable in your job. That will give you a chance to earn more and to get more surveys. So after now you are done with the registering part. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see here, you can share your referral link and you're going to earn $20 when you refer a new respondent user who earns $75. So in this, I'm going to leave my link down in the description. So when you're going to register for Respondent IO, please don't go to Google and register directly there. Please use my link so that I can earn something, so that I can continue making more content. Now, for instance, let's try to apply for one survey. There are plenty here, but I'm not going to apply these surveys that have lasted for many hours. Another thing, as a beginner, I would advise you to start with the lowest paying surveys. Like you see, these surveys paying $5 and $10. Not many people are applying for these surveys. Most people are compete for high paying surveys. If for anyone who have worked in platforms like Upwork, I know that most bidders compete for these paying jobs. So you are, and remember, you are new, you've not worked on any survey, your dashboard is empty. So the best thing you can do for yourself is start by participating in the smallest surveys so that you can get used to it, because these surveys that are paying less are also very easy to participate in. So do not just rush into the high paying surveys, because the competition is very high and you might not get those surveys. So first try these small surveys like this one. Which of the following beverages which of the following beverages have you consumed in the past year? So there is juice, soda, tea, wine, coffee, water. If you drink energy drinks, if you drink beer, you can also include them. So I'm going to click next question. Which of the following activities, if any, are you participating during the month of January? I'm going to winter festival, skiing, visiting family and friends, uh, celebrating New Year Day, taking a cooking class. hmm And then you submit. So that's it, guys, about respondent IO. So as you can see now, this is a survey that I have responded to. I have sent my screener. You see, that's it. Your screener have been submitted. You can see they're asking if I'm going for ski lessons. I would have said I'm going for ski lessons, but damn, I don't even know what is skiing is. So if I'm told to do a video about skiing and I have no information about skiing, then I cannot be able to do the video, so I won't get paid. That's it, guys. That's how you make money with respondent IO. If you have any question regarding this video, please comment down below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.